Okay. Okay. Morning, everyone. Welcome to this session number 466. And today I have this problem, minimum moves to reach a target score. Uh, you're playing a game with integers. You start with the integer 1. You want to reach the target. Uh, in one move, you can either increment at the current 1, or double the current integer increment the current integer by 1, uh, double the current integer multiplied by 2. You can use the increment operation any number of times. However, you can only use the double operation at most max double times. Okay. Given two integers, target and max double, return the minimum number of moves needs to need which target starting with 1. Mm, well, I think that only make a calculus. I'm not sure. First, I will check the constraints. The target at least is 1, and maximum and max double could be 0 is the minimum, and the maximum is 100. Okay. Now, the target is 5, max double. Okay, if always start in 1 is basically 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Mm, okay, we check. Okay, now, on. Um, One moment, please. I need to configure it again. Uh, Sorry. Now I have this target, and I have this max double. Okay, in this case, I think that the key is try to figure out first is if this number is an odd number. Because in this case, with the odd number, I'm sure that I need at least sorry, one operation. In this case, is the increment. Yeah, and with this I can change this by this number, and now is only divide between this is 18 between 2 is 9. No, uh, This means that I can duplicate the number. In this case, I think that if we start with 1, and I can apply this, and if the maximum to mm, mm. Okay, I think I start with 1. Okay, okay, with 1. Now, uh, this is the maximum number of duplicate value. Mm, I have this, and I know that this module of 2 is equal 1. Means that, well, I have the first operation that is 1, or in this case is increment. Now, but it's in the final. Now is increase this. If I have this operation, I can divide this number between 2 and between 2. Mm, if I divide this, oh, this one, this case is 18 between 2 is 9. Okay, obviously this can be divided between 2 because I need an even number. I think that is less 1, or in this case another operation to reach the 8. And now this I can divide between 2 and 4. Okay, the target in this case is reach this 4 and apply this operation. In this case, if I did the calculus for this max double, means that it's another 2. Okay, I have 4. Now the target is reach this value. In this case is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's equal 4. Okay, in this case is sorry, is 3 1 1 2 3. Okay, the result is 7. Sorry, initially increment 4 double remaining 1 double again. Yeah. Okay, now let me check this. Okay, now I have the target in this. The first is validate if this is in an odd. Okay, no, currently the number of operation is 0, and I have this. Now if I can divide this term 4 times. Because it's a duplicate. In this case is 5. Here this the residue is 1. Okay, means that I have 1. Now this now have the value of 4. Now is 4 between 2, it's equal to. Okay, I don't need reduce anyone. Now is 2 divide between 2, it's equal 0. Okay, I think that I need to stop here. Yeah, because the initial value is this. Okay, and now reach this value. The target is reach this value with this 1 by 1. In this case is 2. This 1, it's equal 1. Now is here. And now, okay, I can use directly this 4 because in this case, for example, I only used two times, means that I need only to count this 4. 1, 2, in this case, for move the 1 or transform the 1, 2 is only 1, 3. And what is the 4? 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. It's for this. This is the 4. The answer is 4. Okay, got it. Now, for this, I think that it's a recursive function or something like that. And the first is, well, I have the, what is the number? Target. Okay, I think that counter. I need a counter. I need one variable to save these values. Case is I don't know, sum or something like that. That is the current value of this. The next is validate if this is an even or odd number. Where is an odd number, I need to increase this in 1, yeah, and this transform as a even number, yeah. Next to is apply this operation until this reach 0 or uh, the sum, sorry, the current value it's minor that sum. Okay, in this case, I think that I need current value it's equal at the beginning, it's equal target. And I need to reduce this one by one. And okay. Oh, I forgot to put. Okay. Now, okay. I hope that the phone can increase a little bit. Okay. Now, here, integer counter equals 0. Integer, you know what? Result. And counter is the current value. No, it's starting 1. Integer current. It's equal 0. No, it's equal target. Okay, the first is current module of 2. It's equal, it's different to 0. Where it's different to 0 means that it's an even value. No, it's an odd value. 1. In this case, current. In this way. Because I can use this, but well, I think that only for more clarity, I think that is this. And now, result plus because I am using the operation to reach this value by 1. Okay, now the next, sorry, I use my controller here. Okay. Now, in this moment, I am sure here, I'm sure that current is an even value. Now, for example, 19, I will follow this example. 19 now, current is this. Huh? Now have this. What is the next? The next is divide this number until the current, or meanwhile, the current, no, is while current is greater than 1 or max double it's greater than 0. This case, current 2 is greater than 1 and is n, no or n max double. I'm not sure if I can reduce this like this because it's a parameter. I need to validate that. Okay, well, it's related that 0. Sorry. Now here is current. No. For example, here current is 18. I am asking 18 between 2 is greater than 0. Yeah, because in this case is 18 between 2 is equal 9. Now for this I need to check if um, current, oh, in this case here, current, oh, now where current module of 2, it's a different to 0, means that where is odd value, again, it's exactly like this. Yeah, because for example, in this case is 18 between 2, it's 9. I need to transform as a even number again. In this case is with this and max double, obviously, every time. Oh, every time reducing 1. And for example, here, what is this? Can be applied 2 times. In this case, max double is 2, and this is 18. 18 between 2 is greater than 1. Yeah, because it's 9. And max double is 2. Both are true. Okay, current in this case is 9. Now current is 9. And I am asking 9 is an odd value. I'm reducing 1 for transform as an even value and increase the result plus plus. And even here, I think that the result is in both sides. In the if, because I am increasing in 1, and in here because I am divide between 2. And that's it. Return result. Max double. Okay, it's doubles. What? Sure, yeah. Here, for example, the max double Okay, I think that in this case, if I reach this and current, it means that no, if current it's greater than 0. If current is greater than 0, means that I need reduce result plus equal current is the current value. Okay, I am setting by one. Why? Okay, in this case, for example, is 5. Um, I am asking current module of 2 is an odd value. Yeah, because it's 5. Okay, I reducing 1. Now it's transformed to 4. Now is I can divide this, yeah, but maxable is not enough. Okay, currently here I have 4 and result have a 2. Okay, I think that is less 1 because I am doing this before. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, I am close. Check what is the error. Target is this. Max double is the output 1. Expect. Okay, yeah, because starting 1, the result is 0, and I am asking, what do you think? Could we only add one validation for discover if the target is equal 1? Target is equal 1. Current model of, because I am doing before this, when the target equal 1, yeah, I think that or what happen if I remove this and I only have this. For example, this case is 19, 19 between 2. Sure if take 8 or 9. Let me check. I hope that handle as an integer. 9. Mm-mm. No. Okay, I think that it's necessary validate 0 target equal return. Yeah, because I think that in this you need to take a few decisions because what is the best? Maybe uh, it's not elegant only at this validation, but I think that if with this you can reduce the complexity in the uh, in the code or modify and you know only for one case. Well, me don't make sense. Mm, well, I think that it's an easy problem. Okay, solution using model, I think. And the time complexity of this is we have the target, Oh, okay. Here is interesting. I have one. If the only uh, the only loop that I have is this, and in this case is okay. How calculate the time complexity here? I think that this is a loop, and this loop should be uh, execute the max double. In this case, is this. Hey, talks. Yeah, well, for solve these kind of problems like leetcode and this platform, yeah, I'm using Java, but for my work, I use Kotlin because I am Android developer. Mhm. Yeah, I think that is n logarithm. I'm not sure. I need to check this because I think that is n logarithm. Okay, I will publish in X. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, problem is okay. I think that I have time to try another problem. Okay, sorry. I need to check the solution that have become oh with bit manipulation. Okay. Mm, wow. Uh, press. Aha. Wow. Yeah, makes sense. In this case, where target is graded at one. And k is graded at this. Residual plus equal one plus target. Yeah, it's a cumulative. I think, yeah, I think that I can improve this. Okay, let me try to reduce this code because I think that it's alone. Okay, in this case, for example, where the target is one, I need to return this. And here, for example, if I comment this and here is a 19, the current which mm, uh, come on. Okay, let me reduce this. And now, for example, here, if the target is 19, is 19 between 2, at least the resolution 9. Okay, I think that result plus equal. In this case, every number a module of 2 always return 0 or 1. because is the result, for example, 19 modulo of 2, it's equal 1. Yeah, because it's an odd or even number and only is for one. Yeah, I think that is only for one. Okay, in this case, result plus equal, I think that current module of 2, for example, where is an odd number, is increasing 1, where is an even number, uh, is 0, return 0. Okay, I think that all the time I can do this. And the other is uh, uh, oh yeah, sure. This I think that is the same, but in this case is less this number. Yeah, for example, I have this. Now I am trying to figure out if this is valid. Okay, it's valid. Now is current result is 0. Okay, result plus equal current module of 2, it's equal 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. And now here is current minor equal current module of 2. In this case, for example, is 1. 19 less 1 is 18. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Modulo, I am sure that is 9. Why? I think it's because where is graded, for example, if you have 8, no, yeah, well, 8 module of this, the result is the base. Yeah, in this case is this. For this reason happened this. Okay, let me check. Have this and max double is 2. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. What do you think of Java backend dev Spring Boot? Oh, I handled Spring a few years ago in terms of job opportunity or switch for Android. Yeah, I started as a backend developer, and I remember that I used Java for do this. Well, I have a few years that I am not working in the backend, but I can recommend you that don't only follow all the developers say in the for example in YouTube and TikTok or whatever, because for example a lot of people um, think that, for example, oh, okay, Java is obsolete, Java is old, Java, Kotlin is much better than Java, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, maybe it makes sense because, for example, if you compare Java with Kotlin for Android, well, definitely Kotlin is much better because it's faster, because Kotlin was thinking for run specifically for Android and is optimized was optimized of, for this environment. But when you compare, for example, Kotlin with Java in the backend for bigger process, well, definitely Java is much, much better because it's strong. And I don't know how to say that, but I think that if it's like, for example, Java have more experience. the language itself. Yeah, because well, have many support not only for the Android developers in general, have many support is all, and this means that have many fixes over the code. And I think that again, where you are handling a massive project, definitely Java. Even recently here in Mexico, well, in Latin America, because I am Mexican, we have here one delivery company that use the virtual threads of Java for handle massive requests in the website. And well, in this case, you can use Java for this. And well, I think that you can try to replicate with Kotlin, but I think that definitely Java is still using for the companies. Okay, in fact, I am more interested in Swift and iOS, so I am still choose. Sorry, let me translate this word because okay, yeah. Because so to choose Dev, iOS Dev, Java Spring Boot, or any place. Well, I recommend you that try to, well, the first is very important, ask to people that work, for example, in this environment. In my case, I am working in the mobile environment, specifically with Android, but I think that is very similar with the iOS. In this case, for example, for the Android developers, the offer jobs is very higher, so higher, and the payments, it's a good you receive a good payments for this work, and I think that it's a good option. And you need to understand that, for example, when you are using or you are in the mobile environment, you have the opportunity to touch the both side. When I am saying both side means that the client, like the for example, the UI, the buttons, the text field, blah blah blah. This side of the application, and the the logic in the application. For example, with the backend, it's not possible because as a backend developer, you only touch the service, you touch the servers, and blah blah, but you never create the UI. You never you are close to the final client. And with the mobile, well, you need basically do both works. Uh, Hello, I can pronounce this name. I don't know how to pronounce. Well, I am doing one problem concerned to the lead code and response a few questions that I have here in the chat. Well, I will continue. In this case, I am trying to optimize my solution. Okay, now here, here I have the target. I'm sure that my result is wrong for this because I am doing this operation one more time and it's not enough. mm, what is happening here? Oh, yeah, current between two. Oh, uh, between two. Yeah, I think that is for this. Okay, here is five, and I expect this. Okay, what do you think of the native mobile dev jobs? Will it increase or decrease? Native, um, well, I think that it's still higher, and it's because when you are using, for example, multi-platform frameworks, Kotlin multi-platform, Flutter, blah 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 blah, these kind of things. Well, it's a great option, but for the MVP's application, only for a simple application, because where you try to use this in a real or bigger application, well, it's very hard. It's so hard handle this. um, for the reason that, yeah, the native option is the best way currently, and the jobs, the offer is higher. Uh-huh. Now current here is, sorry, is this, is 19. Uh-huh. 19 between two, in this case is 8.5, but increasing 9, well, whatever, however, whatever, here is 9 is rated at 1, yeah, and max double is rated at 0, yeah, because it's 2. Okay, now result, that is 0. Uh-huh. This counter, okay, I can use this. Huh. Current is equal, result plus equal. Oh, yeah, sure. And here result, I need increase in 1 because I am doing this operation. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that it's another option, more clear. Let me check. Current, 0. Well, in this case, if it's 0, it doesn't matter. I can, even I think that it's only enough with this. Plus 1. Uh, check. Okay, I think that is another way to solve. For example, where is 1 between 2 is greater than 0? No. Even I think that I can reduce this. Okay, let me check. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Mm, um, solution using, I think that again model. Java. It's a short version. I will short, uh, mhm. Okay, let me check. Uh, okay, are you receiving lead code for 460 days? Not really, because I started to share or to make the streaming in lead code 1 month ago. Let me check. Currently, I have this number of videos in of the lead code because Twitch remove the videos, but I have this number of times um, study every day. Not this other account. Study out. No, study me. No, sorry, I forget my account here. Ah, because this is in Spanish. Um, is this? I have a TikTok where I publish all my studies session, but I have only a few months ago that I start with the streaming in lead code, and previously I had many many days study um, in my whiteboard, and well, this. Um, but yeah, how many videos I have? I don't know, because many times I study in the morning and in the afternoon. Yeah, well, I'm not sure. I think that maybe I have very close to 700 videos in TikTok. Um, well, what is the average of this? Oh well, and now here, okay, one tip for the other developers concerned with this problem. Yeah, even I will share this experience here. It's in Spanish and in English. It's in Medium. I can share for here. I share a few advice for have this habit, because it's the hard part. Have the habit. Okay, now sorry, I am taking a few things. Okay, and okay, I need to increase the hard problems as well. Yeah, if you have doubts or you want to write me, uh, feel open to send me a message here in Twitter or in TikTok, and I will respond you. Okay. But I think that it's enough for today. Thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.